So let's see how easy it is to make tea at home. So first, this is how we make iced tea. There's Lipton's American favorite iced tea bag. Just take the paper off, put this in there. I use 2 bags. Then for loose leaf, this is for hot tea. I will use 1 big tablespoon scoop in there. So this is iced tea, this is hot tea. So for the hot tea, we pour hot water to the upper line, the upper brew line, and for the iced tea, we put it to the lower line to make a concentrate. And then we wait. Black tea, it's about 3 minutes, and fruit tea, we should really give it for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we can put the smart brewer on, and there's a line here showing how far it goes down. All right, so the time is up. This is our hot fruit tea. So we push the smart brew down, lock it, and it's ready to go. Remember that when it's hot, when you open it, away from your face. There. And then this is for the iced tea. So we are pressing down. See, there's the tea concentrate. Just give it a swirl. And then let's top it up with some ice. There. And this is active glacier ice. Yummy. And then, if you want, you can sweeten it. I normally use this Kirkland honey instead of sugar. Just add some honey in there. And put on the lid. That's there. Lock it. And shake. Shake, 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 shake. See, it's fully sealed, so no reason to worry. Okay, and then now it's for taste. Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah.
Okay.
It's not too sweet.
Nope.